This is the 2017 Rentz Family Farms peanut harvest. The Rentz Family Farms is a fairly large farm supply, and they also have their own farm as well. But it's mainly peanuts and cotton, but they grow a little bit of corn and soybeans and other row crops, but they're mainly cotton and peanuts. This is their peanut harvest down in Faceville, Georgia, right on the Florida line. Actually, they are still in Georgia. Florida line is just a little bit to the left of where I'm videoing right now. This is the 2017 Rentz Family Farms peanut harvest on what used to be the Manley Farm, south of Bainbridge, Georgia, in the Faceville community. This actual field is actually in Florida. If I'm going to pan a little bit to the right, you can see this center pivot right here, a little small 3-tower center pivot. About 10 foot to the right of that center post is the Florida state line going into Georgia. So we're actually in Florida filming today. Rentz has 5 peanut combines out here working today. This is the 3rd of October. I've got one Amadas self-propelled 6-row combine that I'm shooting right now. And we've got another 6-row self-propelled combine. This is one of the older style combines that has to dump instead of unload on the go. This is the old method of unloading peanuts from the combine. Most of all the newer ones now have gone to unload on the go, which is going on right behind it. This is one of their pull type combines with the unload on the go feature. It speeds up the harvest. They can keep moving while they're unloaded, just like the way combines do. This is a model 9970 self-propelled combine. They get their cabs and the steps and everything come from John Deere. That's a John Deere cab on them. And I believe the power plant and everything is supplied by Deere as well. This is the older model self-propelled peanut combine. Cab on this one, I believe, is based off the 9500 series, 9600 series John Deere cabs. I always thought that these combines were a little bit just too expensive and really not that useful. But in the last few years, I've seen a few of the farmers that have them, and they are really, really handy on opening up a field. With the header out in front, you don't have any wheels in front of you to run over the peanuts. And every time you run over a row of these peanuts, you bust a lot of them up, and they just go through the combine and are wasted. But with that header out front, they can go around these end rows and pick everything up without running over it.